Photon review. Hey my friends, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg, and in today's review we're going to be looking at Photon. As you can see, I have members access, so we're going to look at that. We're going to look at, they have lots of bonuses that you're going to like. I've also got lots of amazing bonuses as well. And guys, Photon is going to go live on March 9th, 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, with a front end price of $18. We're also going to look at all the upsells, and we're going to see if this is the right product for you. All right, my friends, so with that being said, I will see you on the other side. Welcome back. If you are new to the channel, my name is Kieran Hogg, where I do digital product reviews, products that are related to making money online. Also, I have other videos that I create to help people make money online and also to learn about affiliate marketing. Down in my description below, there is a link if you want to be an elite affiliate. I strongly encourage you to check out that link. You will find loads of amazing information, training for a lifetime, training that I will help you with and other people will help you with, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing to change your life for the better. All right, my friends, let's get into Photon. So it says, let me just take you first of all to my bonus page where we're going to learn more about Photon. Game-changing software that pays us $50 to $100 every 9 minutes just by watching random images online. Very interesting. I'm not too sure how this works. I've been playing around with the members area, but maybe we can figure it out together. Now guys, my bonus page is going to stay up until 4 days later. That is going to be Saturday, March 12th, so you've still got plenty of time. All right, Photon, brand new software that lets you get paid for scrolling through random images online. If you can look at images, you can earn money. Don't even need your computer. You can actually just use your phone as well. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Now I'm going to show you just that in itself is a big money saver. Comes complete with quality video tutorials and more. Access your exclusive library, millions of stock images ready to use. Commercial license is included, so you can actually go on Fiverr and you can start your own side business and creating images for yourself and selling them to others who are looking for posters and ads and banners and whatnot as well. 100% newbie friendly, perfect for affiliates, e-com sellers, offline, or for everyone. Shortcut to online success by printing cold cash in a few clicks. Here is quite an in-depth price funnel, which we're going to get into in a minute, guys. Okay, so they're guaranteeing their payments every time we watch silly Google and Instagram. 1,421 members already earning using this system. More than $980,000 paid out. One push button, no image or graphics creation, being on camera or paying for traffic is required. And like I said, it is newbie friendly. They've got support, no monthly fees, and your money back guarantee. All right. Guys, I'm going to give you some bonuses as a way of saying thank you for using my link as well, guys. So my first link is Profit Launcher. This is my own product. This will teach you all you need to know about how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to find links that you want to promote, products that you want to promote, how to contact the vendors, how to get your links approved, how to create bonuses if you don't have any bonuses, where you can find them and how you can edit them to make them your own, how you can create beautiful thumbnails. I've even created a free template inside here where all you got to do is put in your images, your content, and then you have a very polished for free bonus review template that you can use and it looks amazing. Or you can go the paid route. I also show you how to do that. But my goal for this product was to help new or struggling affiliates first learn how to make money rather than just paying for a bunch of monthly fees and costs right out of the gate. All right, you're going to get that for free. You're going to get my OTO1, my profit ranker, which shows you how to outrank even seasoned professionals and veterans in your specific niche. Loads of tips and tricks to help hack the algorithm in Google and Instagram to help you get your brand out there, get your name out there, and of course make some profits as well. Next one, guys, Latitude. You're gonna learn how to make NFTs. This boy in here, William, he's 12 years old and he's crushing it. He's making thousands of dollars with NFTs. You are going to now be able to do the same. You're going to be able to open up a crypto wallet. He walks you how you can do that, walks you through it. All the do's and don'ts. So how to protect yourself and the things that you want to avoid, where to upload your NFTs, how to buy them, how to sell them, etc. Loads of information. Another bonus that I'm going to give you is an unfair YouTube trick for huge profits, all right, and traffic. This is very cool. All the information is in here and you'll find out how you were able to do that very well. And my mentor, John Armstrong, is giving me some bonuses as a way of saying thank you for using my links. Guys, you're going to get Enigma. This is only for the first 12 hours only, so this is time sensitive, all right? This is, again, some powerful stuff that you're really going to want to get, but don't dilly-dally. It's only going to be here for the first 12 hours. Next one, guys, accelerate your traffic with Bing. A lot of time, Bing is a search engine that is overlooked, but you will see that you can actually do very well with it. Advertising costs are much lower compared to Google, and people still do use Bing, so you're going to see how you can profit with it. Next one, guys, content curation hack. This is a way that you can drastically speed up. If you are not good at typing, or if you have a lot of data input to do, you can get this done way faster. Okay, so check that out. You're gonna get Gemini. Gemini is an insane 3-in-1 software where you get an autoresponder, you get funnel builder, a page builder, so you can do squeeze page, opt-in pages, etc., thank you pages, and also you can embed videos into your email so you can get more interaction. Your audience is going to be more inclined to open a video. You're going to have that trust. You're going to have that familiarity with your audience as well. So this is a 3-in-1 purchase. And you guys, loads of vendor bonuses. Let me just take you over here. Look at all these vendor bonuses that you're going to be getting if you just click on that, guys. So loads and loads. All right. Okay. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to, you're going to want to go to the sales page like so. We're going to check this out in a minute. And you're just going to want to click on any of the tabs to get you to Warrior Plus. Let me just find one. I can't find it, guys. I think that's going to be up when it goes live. And then you're just going to click on that anyways. And it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. And you're going to access your purchase here. Now you're going to click on this, Access Affiliate Bonus. And that is going to take you to my bonus page where you're going to get all my bonuses and all of the Photon bonuses as well, you guys. So don't forget to do that. All right, and this is me. You can check me out at KieranJHog.com. Again, you can learn more about me, how to become an affiliate, elite affiliate marketer, and you'll see all my videos and learn more about me as well. Now, guys, I want to take you through the sales page. Whoops. All right, so you can make, as you know, we did all this, $50 to $100 every 9 minutes just by watching random videos. I'm still not entirely sure how that works, but they have tutorials and training in the front end. You will learn how to do it. Now look at some of these numbers that these guys are making, guys. $84,200, $59,100 last week, this month. Yesterday, $4,261. Today, $454. That is incredible. All right. It's quite a large sales page. So I'm not going to go into everything in here. I'll let you do that yourself. But look at some of this revenue, guys. This is incredible. $980,281. Here are some testimonials that you can check out on your own time as well. I want to take you through some of the things here. So we have thousands around the world already received their first Instagram payments. So they logged into their stunning cloud-based software. They activated their personal image and graphics machine, which I will show you. And relax as Photon gets you Google and Instagram payments. Okay, so here are some more testimonials. Some more price proof. So you're going to log in, open, and receive. Okay, but I'm still a little bit confused on how it all works. But the guys that are doing Photon, that have created it, they are seasoned professionals. They put out previously, their products are very good. They're trustworthy individuals. So this, I have no reason not to trust these guys as well. Mike, Radu, and the third gentleman. We're going to find out who it is in a minute here. All right, guys. So look, you can double your money back guarantee. You've got no monthly fees, 24/7. All right, here are some bonuses that you're also going to get in addition to those as well, guys. Built-in masterclass to get you $1,000 a month. Unlike other programs, we built over-the-shoulder case studies and an in-depth training straight into Photon, showing you step-by-step how to run a winning campaign. So there you go. There is some training that you're going to get as a bonus. You're going to get the commercial license as well. So you'll be able to get an extra $500 per day by selling video earning systems to others. And this is time sensitive. The first 150 action takers will unlock access to Photon Max Multiplier. So only if you are one of the first 150 buyers, you are going to get this special bonus as well. All right, so you're going to get an exclusive you won't find anywhere else. You're not going to take not even double or triple the payments. You will receive a huge advantage over everyone else. So guys, don't dilly-dally if it is something that you like. Art Flair, Venkata, Daniel, these are all high-end affiliate marketers. They're putting their stamp on it. They're talking about it. So it just adds more clout to this product, in my opinion. Okay, you guys. So all of that is over $10,000. Plus my bonuses are also multiple thousands of dollars in benefit as well. Let's take you over to the members area. Now guys, I just want to show you, even if you just have one image here, any image. So I just typed on the first one. That is a Buddha, right? If you liked that image, if you go to, for example, Adobe stock, and if I just type on this image or any of these, how much are you going to have to pay? Okay, so you get a free trial, right? But that's going to expire $80 US for one image. You're going to get tons of images at a one-time price. So right there, you're already well ahead of the game. And like I said, you can edit them here, you can resize, you can filter, crop, transform, draw, all this stuff. You can create your own business, uploading things on Fiverr for customers, and you can actually be making money. So you're saving money with the objects instead of having to buy them one by one, and also making a lot of money through Upworks or Fiverr or however you want to do your online service. All right. Now guys, in the training, they're going to show you how you can actually make the money. I don't have that information here. All right. So let me just go back up. We're going to look at the prices now. So the front end, guys, you're going to get a $2 discount as well. Instead of $17, it's actually going to be $15. Okay. The Pro at $36.93, or the downsell at $26.63. The done for you, $36.93, and the downsell of $26.93. The reseller rights, $197, downsell of $97. IMX 97, downsell of $67. So you can consider getting Pro. You're going to have way more images, way more material that you can use to make money, or the done for you. I kind of like the done for you. So they're doing all the heavy lifting. I would recommend getting the downsell of upsell number 2. Okay, so they're going to be doing all the heavy lifting for you. You can keep it on the back burner and be making money as they're doing it all for you. And again, you guys, they have guaranteed payments. They're going to show you how to do that. 1,421 members already earning money this way. And it's a push one button to turn any phone or computer into a fully fledged graphics creation machine. No image or graphics creation or being on camera or paying for traffic or ads required. It is newbie friendly. So even if you don't know what it is, they're going to train you. They're going to show you. They've got examples. They've got 24/7 support as well. So don't worry. Also, guys, click on any of these buttons. You're going to access all of my bonuses here. You're going to learn other ways to make money online, absolutely free as well. That was one of the criteria that I created with Profit Launcher. I wanted to really help people get some money before upgrading into other kinds of paid software. How to outrank your competition, how to make NFTs, make a lot of money, how to make a secret hack with YouTube is basically finding the links of high-ranking YouTube videos that have affiliate links that are broken. So you can use these, put your own links into anything you want, your products, your affiliate links to other products, etc. It's going to show you how you can do that. Enigma, Bing, content curation hack to save a lot of time, the 3-in-1 software, and all those other bonuses as well, my friends. So this wraps up my review on Photon, how you're able to make money just by doing one click. They're going to show you how easy it is, and you can also have all those images. You don't have to pay for any images. You can edit them. You can also have your own online side business via Fiverr, via Upworks, whatever the case may be. All right, my friends, and if you want to be an elite affiliate, check out my link down below that says become an elite affiliate. Also, guys, please leave me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you're not subscribed, please do, and hit that bell button to get more updated information about the newest digital products, ways to make money online, and affiliate marketing. Okay, my friends, this wraps up my Photon review. I hope you enjoyed it. And until then, I'll talk to you soon, and best of luck on your journey.